5 signs you should replace your air conditioning system. 47% of our electricity bill is used to heat and cool our home. Replacing your AC system will make a big dent in your wallet, especially during the summer, when AC is a must to survive the heat. Do you know when you should replace your air conditioning system? First of all, if your current system is at least 10 years old, you might need to start looking into purchasing a new one. Updated Energy Star models are more energy efficient than older models. Replacing it will save you money in the long run. Secondly, if your current system has died in the past, it could also indicate that it is about time. Here is a formula to help you determine if it is worth the money to repair a broken AC. If multiplying the cost of repair by the age of old AC unit is less than the cost of your new AC Plus installment, it is worth the investment to repair. However, if multiplying the cost of repair by the age of old AC unit is more than the cost of your new AC Plus installment, you should replace your AC unit. Thirdly, you are constantly spending money to repair your current system. Upgrading your system means you won't have to pay for constant repairs. In the long run, you will be saving money. Number 4, you are paying too much money. If you notice that your electricity bill is getting more expensive, you might want to consider a new air conditioning unit. An Energy Star rated HVAC system can save you up to $200 per year. Lastly, your current system is too big for your home. Bigger does not mean better. Oversized units tend to lead to more frequent repairs and higher energy costs due to overhaul issues. Visit ELAHomeRepairs.org for more details or contact 800-368-PROS for a free referral.